Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and the right Windows edition. Once confirmed, start with immediate backups. First, export the relevant registry keys or group policy objects so you can roll back if needed. Next, verify whether the device is Azure AD joined or on a traditional domain because policies differ. Make sure you know which account applied the restriction. Then open the local group policy editor or settings page. Don't hesitate to pause and record exact error messages. Now proceed to change the policy that shows this setting is managed by your administrator. In Local Group Policy Editor, locate the specific policy and set it to not configured or disabled, then run gpupdate/force. If the device is in Tune or Azure AD managed, open the management portal and remove or adjust the configuration profile. Make sure to sync the device. If you must edit the registry, import your backup first, then change the exact key and reboot to confirm policy refresh. Finish by forcing a policy refresh. Run gpupdate/force, then sign out or reboot. Once done, generate an RSOP, MSC or gpersult/H report. HTML to confirm the setting now shows user control. If the change reverts, make sure no higher-level policy, like domain or Intune, will override it. In that case, remove the device from management or request a policy change from your administrator. One troubleshooting tip: restore your exported registry and repeat steps while documenting each change to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.